Welcome to Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question is, how does Turo work? This is how Turo works in my personal opinion. It's about what you put in is what you get out typically. I realize, at least with my own business, is the more effort I put into Turo, the more benefits I actually get, the more money I make, the more 5-star reviews I get. The less effort I put, the less reviews I get, the less effort. So the more I make an effort to say hi, to meet them, to see how they're doing, to go the extra mile and maybe leave some hand sanitizer, gloves, mask, lotion, to give them a list of maybe fun things to do in my area, regardless if they live in the area or not, if they're traveling from out of town or not. Doing all the little extra things are what kind of make Turo special, because it's about the experience. So I think what you put in is what you get out. So what you should be doing is figuring out how you get some charger cables in your car, figuring out how you can actually get some hand sanitizer in your car, figuring out how to create a to-do list that's a fun to-do list with all the best restaurants or comedy clubs or bowling or amusement parks, so that people that are traveling out of town or even in town that are from in town can actually have something fun to do. And even if they don't use it, it just shows good effort. The more you put in is what you get out. And that's the answer to that question. Carlene out.